Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing with anything and everything which is required to get success in the construction. Today also, I'm going to discuss about a very important topic about a construction material, that is cement. Cement is widely used in the construction. Each and every area cement is being used. So cement quality maintaining is a very much important. But today I'm not discussing about that. I have made all the video about the cement quality and different types of cement. You can check there or in the description. But today I want to discuss about how to do proper stacking and storage of cement as per the IS code. Because if we cannot properly store, then the cement quality can be deteriorated. Then our end product will not be as per our requirement. So it is very much essential to stack or store the cement as per the guidelines. So what is the guideline? What is the relevant IS code and what to do and what not to do? Today I will discuss each and everything in this video. Stay tuned until the end to get the full information. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So without wasting time, let's jump into the subject, that is stacking and storage of cement as per Indian standard. See, in India, the IS code is there and each and everything is in the IS code. And where you will get the IS code? You will get the IS code in BIS website. Don't download the IS code from anywhere else. Go to BIS website, make a account which is completely free, and download as much as you want, and it is always giving the latest version one. So don't rely on the internet, rely only on the BIS website. So what is my IS code for the cement storage and stacking? That is IS 4082 1996, reaffirmed in 2018. That is stacking and storage of construction material and components at site recommendation. So it is not only the cement, it is the general guidelines for the storage of the construction material. So it's steel, bricks, everything is there. But today we'll discuss only about the cement. So which is the relevant clause? That relevant clause is the clause 4.2, and where it is discussed in the recommendation guidelines, that is in given clause 4.21 to 4.25. Now I will go to the IS code and we will check what is the guidelines for the cement stacking and storage. See, what do I say here? This is the clause number 4, the stacking and storage of material of IS code, that is 40821996, and it is in 4.2. It says it is cement. The cement is received in bags, drums, or silos. So what is it saying? That cement can be received in bags, in drums, or in the silos. But most of the cases when it is RMC, it is coming in the silos, and for the other works at the cement at the site, it is coming into the bag. So it is very much important to store the material of cement as the site, because if we cannot properly store, then the moisture can take and the cement reaction will start with the moisture and the cement will not be usable. So it is a total wastage, not only the money, but it's a national waste. So we should be very much careful. So cement is received in bags. So what is 4.2.2? In case cement is received in bags, recommendation given 4.2.1 to 4.25. Okay, what is the recommendation? So first recommendation, it's saying cement shall be stored at the work site in a building or a shed which is dry, leak proof, and as moisture proof as possible. That means it should be moisture proof or the leak proof, so that it is not possible to enter water inside the shed where we are keeping the cement. The building or shed for storage should have minimum number of windows and close fitting doors, and this should be kept closed as far as possible. So what is it saying or suggesting? That it should be window, it should be door, and it should be closed as far as possible. Only when it is required, it should be opened. Then what is guidelines? Cement shall be stored in and stacks in bags and shall be kept free from the possibility of any dampness or moisture coming in contact with them. That means what is my primary object? My primary object that the cement should not take the moisture from the environment. That means if it is take, then the heat of hydration of cement will start and the cement will not be usable and it will be rejected. So it is my first criteria to maintain a area where the cement cannot take the moisture and start reaction. So what is saying, cement bag shall be stack of floor on wooden plank in such a way as to keep about 150 to 200 clear above the floor. So what is saying, it cannot be kept on side the above the floor. It should be at least 150 and 200 clear above the floor. See, here is given the guidelines. See, here is saying D, C, B, A. Let's see what is D and what is C and what is B and A. D is 150 consolidated earth. So this will be the consolidated earth, 150 Then C is saying 150 dry bricks in two layers or lean cement concrete. So dry bricks or the PCC in C, what is the 150. Then what is B? B is a wooden batten, and then A is wooden plank. So what will be the floor? Floor will be the compacted earth, then PCC or the dry bricks in two layers, then wooden batten, then wooden plank. So it is to be recommended that moisture from the soil could not come in contact with the cement. So this is the recommendation. Then the floor may compromise of lean cement concrete or two layers of dry bricks laid on well concentrated earth. A space of 600 minimum shall be left around between the exterior walls and the stack. So what is meaning? See, it is a plan it's showing that from the wall, minimum 600 gap should be there from the wall, and then there will be a passage in between, and the passage will be 600 then it is to be in two layer, two layer, and then again passage is 600 then again two layer, again the passage in 600. So here is also given the recommendation that bag in three numbers bag in a row we cannot put, only two numbered bags we can do, and then it can be up. So what will be the maximum, that also given in the code. So let's see, in the stacks of cement bags shall be kept close together to reduce circulation of air as much as possible. Owing to pressure on the bottom layer of the bag, sometimes waterhouse pack is developed in three bag. This can be removed easily by rolling the bags when the cement is taken out to use lumped bags. So if there is any thing that we find out that there is a problem with the bags or it starts taking lumped, that will be taken out first. Now we have already discussed what will be the plan, what will be the floor. Now what will be the stack height? The height of stack shall not be more than 10 bags. So here it is saying it should be not more than 10 bags to prevent the possibility of lumping up under pressure. So if there's more, there will be pressure will be generated, and that pressure also, that lumping can possible. That is to avoid that, maximum 10 bags can be stack up to this. The width of the stack shall not be more than 4 bags, the length or 3 meters. So this should be 3 meter maximum, and height should be 10 bags. In stack more than 8 bags high, the cement bags shall be arranged alternatively lengthwise and crosswise so as to tie the stack together and minimize the danger of dropping over. So what is it's suggesting that it should be first in this way and then in this way. So what will happen? There will be bonding together, so there will be no topping down. Cement bags shall be stacked in a manner to facilitate their removal and use in order in which they are received. A label of showing date of receipt of cement shall be put on the each stack to know the age of cement. That means it is a continuous process that the cement is coming and cement is going. So it is recommended that what the cement is coming first, that will go out first. That it's called the FIFO, or the first in and first out. And there will be in every stack, there will be a label that the mentioning the when it is received and when is the its expiry date, so that we can immediately find out this bag has to use first. So the FIFO has to maintain at the stacking. That means first in and first out. Then for extra safety during the monsoon or when it is expected to store for an unusually long period, the stack shall be completely enclosed by a waterproofing membrane such as polythene, which shall close on the top of the stack. Care shall be taken to see that the waterproofing membrane is not damaged by any time during use. So it is saying that it's an extra precaution. That extra precaution, why? Because if in the monsoon, it can be possibility that the water can coming out. So it is saying that it close enclosed by a waterproofing membrane such as polyurethane. So it is an extra caution. Then cement in gunny bags paper bags and polyurethane bags shall be stored separately. So it is also recommending that if the packaging is different, that means the gunny bag, paper bags, and that should be stacking separately, not with the gunny bag, with the paper bag or the polyurethane is together. It is not recommended as per the code guidelines. Then in case of cement is received in drums, usually we're not receiving, but still it is giving this. This shall be stored on a plain kept level ground as far as possible near the concrete mixing places. After taking out the required quantity of cement, the lid of the drum shall be securely tied to prevent ingress of moisture. And in case of cement receiving silos, that is in the maximum cases in the batching plant, we are receiving in silos. The silos shall be placed near the concrete batching plant, and proper access shall be provided for replacement of silos. And different types of cement shall be stacked and stored separately. That means if the different one a PSC, one is a slag cement or the pozzolana cement or the ordinary Portland cement, if it is receiving at the site, it should be stacked separately. So these are the code guidelines in ISO 4082 in 4. Choose in the cement guidelines it's given. This is the sketch is also given. What will be the maximum, the height, the free height is 2.44, maximum 10 bags. And this should be AC or GI sheet or any kind of waterproof roof. And this is the level ground, and these are the plan. So these are the things as per the guidelines of the IS code about the stacking and storage of the cement. But we need to know what is my do's and don'ts whenever we are stacking and storage the cement. See, do ensure that cement is stored in dry and well ventilated room. This is just like a checklist whenever you are stacking or storage in cement. So this is a checklist. Do stack the cement bags in a manner that allows proper air circulation. That means cross stacking, that means cross ventilation should be happening. Why? Because if there is proper air circulation, then moisture cannot be absorbed by the cement bags. Do maintain the height of the stack at no more than 10 bags. Do cover cement bags with waterproof sheets, especially during the rainy monsoon. And the FIFO method to ensure older cement is used first. So what is FIFO? Already we discussed that in first in, first out principle. Cement should be used in order, placed in use order it was received. Older cement bags should be used first to avoid long-term storage, which may lead to strength reduction. Mark the date receipt for each stack and ensure proper rotation of cement stack. That means what are the cement is coming first. If the cement is coming in first of month, second of month, third month of, but whenever issuing that one, we should issue the first one. We should not issue the cement bag which we receive on the second. So that is first in, first out, that also mentioned. Then do inspect the cement regularly to check for any signs of lump formation or moisture absorptions. Then what we should not do, that don't store cement directly on the ground without any protective layer or raised platform. Don't stack cement bags near walls without labeling at least 300 mm or 600 mm space for air circulation. Don't stack cement bags to a height greater than 10 bags, or to discuss. Don't store cement for extended periods, as equally can deteriorate over time. It's preferably 3 months. And don't expose cement to water, dampness, or high humidity environment. So these are the things about the stacking and storage of cement as per IS code 4082. And if you find this one useful, please apply on your projects. And find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a video, you will get immediate notification. And I'm waiting for your comments, so that from your valuable comment, everybody will be benefited. And if you want to know anything more about quality control and construction, please let me know. I will come with more content like this. And thank you once again for watching me.